Pro again here. Next job, we got a full package deal. We're gonna do the concrete. This is a house that was purchased and they revamping it, the homeowners. So we asked to clean the roof, the whole house, and the flat work. So we're up there blowing it off. Just remember, guys, it's very hot outside. It's pushing 100. The heat index, the humidity here, over 100. So stay hydrated, man. It's rather take a break, get in the shade, and drink a glass of water, bottle of water, Gatorade, Powerade, whatever you like, and stay hydrated. Keep that water in you. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. You can see all the property. They've been doing a lot of stuff here, getting it done, and they're gonna do some work to it. They just want to get it clean and start fresh and see where they need to put their effort. So they call it the pros, and that's why all pro is on premise. Catch back with you in a minute. Peace. Putting a little water down. The customer already said, look, don't worry about anything. If you kill it, you're doing them a favor. But, you know, we like to take pride and joy in what we do. Anthony's up there spraying it. We're doing about a 5%, 4.5%, 5%. I actually let Anthony set the whole thing up, so he's getting familiar with the percentages and all that good stuff, you know. So, looking good. This air conditioner is broke, so don't get excited here. This is bush here. That's why I like this red gun. You can fan tip it. And we got some areas and it's very hot, guys. If you're not, we had a plant the other day that we kind of nicked a little bit. We didn't kill it. We just nicked it, but we were just using a house wash, and it was so hot, and it was oversprayed from the other side. So make sure you're saturating these plants good, especially if you're doing the roof. Alright, guys, we're going to get up here and get it done. Alright, peace. On the third section of the roof, been out here about 35 minutes. We're just letting everything down. Again, it's a hot day. We're drenching. And we got no gutters to protect us. But then again, the customer's already said, look, we're good. You kill something, you're doing me a favor. But, you know, we try to be proactive. We usually cover these up, but when they run and it's tough to, and it's the only air conditioner they got, they said, so I'm trying to probably rinse that little section right there. That way we don't have drippage in the AC. And we almost finished here, folks. Remember, dilution is a solution. Catch up, peace. Last side, just wanted to show you guys what that 4.5 is doing. You can see up top, it's all clear. And wherever the streaks are at, it's streaked, so it's perfect mix for this. So I'm just putting some extra water. We're going to finish this up. Again, this is probably taking us about start to finish this roof, probably an hour. And you know, the good thing about the heat, I know it's hot and you got to be hydrated, but on the upside is the bleach dries quick, so you don't get as much runoff. So that's really nice. So anyway, that's been working. The fuel pump on the AR has been working flawlessly. Again, it all pro ingenuity is working. So only one gutter on this, and that's on that side, so we were okay there. But right here, I'm just spraying this stuff down, just because that's what we do. All right, guys, looking good. We're almost done with this, and we're going to spray this house real quick. Probably do this concrete too, or we may come back for that. I'm not sure yet. We got a lot of stuff to get off of there. So, all right, catch up. Peace. But look, a good way to clean out the pump, fill up your soap tank. This is just water in here. This ain't no bleach. This is just plain water. Already rinsed it out when we was finishing up the roof. We always get about, you know, 95% done. Shut the bleach off, spot check, and then we hit any spots with the leftover. But we're going to fill this up so we can wash the house and concrete real quick and let the water fill up a little bit and roll out. All right, guys, catch up in a minute. Using that eliminator. Best in its class. Peace. Here's on the back side of the property. This is where we're starting with the AR house washing. Again, we already saturated the plants, but we're going to do it again just because it's very hot out here. We did get a good rain last night though, so that worked out. In fact, we got rained out on a big job, so let's go ahead and turn some soap on here. Find a remote system. Soap on. I got the dial on 4.5. So Remember, we got, again, 45 seconds on my pump. I don't know about you guys. Gotta figure it out. So yeah, it's nasty. So we're gonna see how this comes out. Just a little wetness on the brick. This side's the shady side, so it ain't too bad. Here we go, we got soap. I plan to let this sit for a good minute. A good minute. Especially all that. Alright guys, let me go run this and then we'll show you some aftermath in a minute. Alright, peace. Alright guys, I want to show you guys something. I got my mix on my SH on 4 and water all the way open, soap on 5. That's just how I'm running. I want to show you guys, you see that mildew right there? That's heavy. Look at that. No problem with the AR. Going right off. You can get right up on it, do a little fan tip. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. That's all you gotta do. It's not rocket science, folks. Spraying SH, spraying that bleach. Coming off, look at that, all that green. Alright guys, just wanted to show you that. You can do it, it's got some good knockdown power. And look at those facials, popping. Whole house is popping. Alright, catch up, peace. The product T, see all the facials, popping, popping, popping. Look at that. All the green came off. We don't remove vines. We kill them. Everything's nice. Roof's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this job up, and we connected with a roofer, and a lot of people around here have ridge tiles on the ridge lines of the roofs, clay, and insurance don't cover them. So I had a video with that, I think, once before. Anyway, we did a few jobs for them, so they call us every time, and it's a quick lick. It takes us maybe an hour, and we lay them all out on the ground, bleach them, spray them, get them done. And then, oh, by the way, landed this job here. You see the roof? That's a newer roof too, so it's just the vegetation. So we're gonna go ahead and squeeze that. Not today. Got a quote request for 4 more, so we'll get done. Catch up with you. This is that roof job, that tile, just the ridge caps. I'll show you guys. Beautiful subdivision. Higher end. See, they doing the shingles. Almost like they're jamming. So, oh yeah, here they are. Okay. All right. So these are them clay tiles that they want to get clean. All right, so I may just use a little pressure and that's a wrap. Instead of pulling out bleach, I got a little bit in the front, not many. But let's see if we got any broken ones here. Got a little piece here. That's an end one. They all look pretty good. But you got to document. If you're going to do anything like this, document it and make sure that there's nothing broke. Alright. Alright, we're going to get set up. I've been here a few minutes. Already got these clean. Just using pressure with the J-rod tip. It's coming out perfect. And we're just stacking them on this pallet because of the mud. So we got the rest of these a little bit in the front. We'll be out to the next one. Working out well. And these tickets are nice because I connected with a guy who owns a roofing company, and he calls me all the time for these projects. And I mean, it's a nice adder. Just because they need it in an emergency. So we're gonna go ahead and keep stacking and spraying and catch up. Peace. Right back at the house. Just finishing up. Rig did very well. AR pumps pumping fuel. Let's see how much fuel we really used. Oh, we just tapped into the tank. And bleach wise, we used quite a bit. Let me see what we got left. 15 gallons. 15 gallons left. Gotta go re-up. We're gonna do that in the morning before we go to our next day. Anyway, Please like, sub, call, comment. Appreciate everybody's support for the channel. It's grown a lot further than I thought, and hope I'm putting value out there for everybody. So anyway, peace.